Well, showing the old girl some love today. I siliconed all the bushings and stuff underneath here. Put a new fuel filter in it. It is a FG1114. It's got the smaller line front and back. Sprayed all the bushings and stuff down. Pulled the cover off of the rear end. Cleaned the rear end and stuff out. And throw some new 80/90 in there. Get it all prepped and put together. And then I was thinking about doing the brakes, but I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do yet. Super clean. I mean, no pitting, no nothing, just really nice. I got rid of the factory gray silicone on the cover, and I'm going to end up going to this Lubra Locker 8.8. It's made in China, but it's a X002 Charlie K0KH5, and it's for an 8.8 differential cover. It's a Lubra Locker. It's a gasket and silicone material that can be used over and over and over again. I absolutely love them. Well, I shot it with some duplicolor engine enamel, so I'm going to let it set out for a little bit, and then I am going to service. I'm going to top it off with fluid, 80/90. And just shy of 3/4, we achieved the money shot. We're good. That's set up pretty nice. And you can read all the numbers now. I want to get out of here. I want to get out of here today, so I'm going to wait to do the brakes till sometime next week. Brakes are still good. Run her through the car wash real quick and head out to my shop and get my decor for the new gaming podcast room. Also, State Farm finally reached out to me, did all the adjustment stuff, and came up with some figures. Then I had the adjuster from Jerry's Collision come out from Schaumburg, Illinois. He looked at everything, said, "Go ahead and get all your moldings from front to back. Go ahead, I'm gonna make this thing. Don't worry about it. I got you. I'm gonna do this car right. We're gonna get this side of the car painted, get all these dings and stuff and everything. The damage that was done from this tire being thrown up at the Grand Marquis and on the highway, this freak accident, act of God. Another car runs over a piece of debris, throws it at your car, and it's your fault. Who would have thunk, right?" Anyway, it's going in the 3rd week of August, and they are just going to do the whole entire side and fix everything that needs to be fixed. So, yeah, that's the update on the Grand Marquis. So, I'm going to have to get her in there sometime within the next couple weeks and also undercoat it, but I'm going to wait until it's painted, so I don't mess up with any of their process by getting that surface shield on the outside, and then that stuff can really spread like crazy, and I don't want to mess with them and their paint work. So I'll wait till, actually not in the next couple weeks, probably a month from now, I'll do the surface shield, and I'll walk you guys through that again, just like I have done the other cars that some of you have actually come to me and let me surface shield your car, run that lanolin oil protection underneath it, and yeah. So we got a new fuel filter put in it today, and we got the rear end service just under 3/4, and used a 8.8 Lubra Locker reusable silicone gasket material. Reusable. Love them. Absolutely love them. And painted the rear cover after we used some 80 grit, 120 grit roll lock, or 80 grit roll lock, and used a silver engine enamel. Came out great. Y'all take care. Be blessed. And we have an upcoming video on this. This is the bi-directional Phoenix Light 2 from Topdon. Huge box. Huge box. Comes with a big giant carrying plastic case. This item is about $900. Give you a quick glimpse of what's inside it. Wireless dongle. Big heavy duty tablet style. Bunch of different power connectors and stuff in here. OBD link connectors and stuff in here. Same thing over in this side. I mean, they really go out of there. They put a lot of stuff in this kit. So, I'll have a review on that here soon. I used it today on a 2014 F-150 to check engine light and reset BMS. And it did phenomenal. It was really quick to hook up immediately, and it is what it is. Y'all take care. Be blessed.